Hey, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used machinery such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, lasers, and much more since 1954. Here's one of our favorite brands to sell. This is an Accurpress. We're always looking to buy, sell, or trade with them. So if you have one to trade in or trade up, make sure to give us a call for that. This is a 710-010, 100-ton, 10-foot. About as easy as it gets, simple to use, simple to operate. It's got a manual back gauge. You just crank it, put it right where you need it to be, and you can do all your work right there. It actually does have light curtains. We have them just sitting in the back right now. The only reason they're sitting there is you can see it comes with this light curtain holder that needs to be bolted into the ground, and then they would be bolted on each side. What that's going to do is allow for your hand, anytime you put that in, it'll stop the brake. And we can show you that it's kind of working over here as well. When we have it here, there is lights that come on. You can see right back there, that little green light turning red. And you can also hear it. What that's doing is allowing for it not to be working because your hands are going to be in the area. And of course, again, they'd be right here, allowing you to put anything in forward, and you could set it for that. Now we'll go ahead and start this machine up. We have a few different modes for it. You're going to set all your depths over here. That's going to be your depth stop, allowing for your top stop and your bottom stop. And you're going to have either your palms or your foot pedal operation. Right now we're in manual operation. It's going to bring it up and down according to those stops. You can see right there on the side that it's hitting those stops. And you can put it into our other operation here. This is a fully automatic. My foot's down on the pedal, making it automatic mode. And then you'll have your jog mode, which allows you to get everything set up for your different tooling, make sure that your piece will come in right, and then you can go right back to your manual mode and complete your pieces. Now, let's just take a quick look at the back gauge. Depending on the work that you're going to be doing, you'll see this back gauge just cranks in and out just with this quick little handle. You're set to be where you want it. Push your pieces back. It's kind of a handmade back gauge. You can always upgrade to this, but some people like a really simple gauge. If you want something more like this, you can see this is an Accurpress Advantage series, a later model with the full CNC control. This has R-axis, meaning up and down in your back gauge. Let's take a look at it just so you can see. This is a CNC powered back gauge. So you have right here is your R-axis. That powers your up and down servo. You have in and out, and then you'll have your Y and your RAM. So it's a multi-axis machine. The one that you have over there is just going to be simple manual. Bring it right down to where you need it to be and get hit. You can see we have a lot of different machines here. Amada, Accurpress, Cincinnati. We sell new as well as used. US Industrial, Standard Industrial, a lot of different machines available. Let us know how we can help. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com. www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.